Hello and welcome to the Python tutorial series. My name is Daneyal, and today I will discuss about the extract numbers from a string using list comprehension. In the previous tutorial, I have given you 5 questions in which one question was that extract numbers from a string. So how to do that, we'll see with the code. So this was the question: generate a list which extract numbers from a string. So how to do this by using code? Just look at here. First of all, we'll take a string from the user by using input method. So here we'll prompt to the user, enter any string. That string can contain numbers as well as your characters. So the task is to extract only the numbers, the digits. So the list that I will create with the name of digit list. Okay, so this is my list name is equal. Since we are going to write the list comprehension, first of all we'll make a bracket. After that we'll write a variable, for example x, that will be your this is your expression and it will contains your digits, and for which we want to apply this. So we want to apply this for s, so we will extract every character of x here for s. And so here when you will execute this here for x in s, then it will fetch every character that will be part of your this list, but the condition is only digits. So here we will write one conditional statement. We already know that how to write the condition. So if that x dot is digit, we have already learned that how to use the is digit function, so we will reuse the is digit. So if this condition gets true, then it will return the x to this expression. So now x will be add to your list, and if you want to see that the result, then we can print the value of digit list. So here you can enter any string, any random string. So here ABC 1 2 3, then XYZ 4 5 6 7, something like this. Then you can see here that my list contains only the digits. Okay, and if you want that it as you can see that every digit is in the form of uh, string, and you don't want that it should be a string, then you can do this by using int, and you can convert into integer also. So here you can write, let me enter some digit, random number, and here you can see that this is your digits only. Okay, so this is the program by which you can do this. As you can see there, this is only one statement by which you can do this. So I hope the code is now clear. So just match your code with this. If you have done with another way, then it is fine. If you haven't completed this task, then just look at the solution and do this by yourself. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share your views, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.